Good evening, everyone. My name is Regina Arditti, and I am the judge of the 448 District Court. It is my pleasure to be here tonight, and I want to tell you that the 448 District Court is a civil court. It is a court that handles cases that deal with people's lives, such as medical malpractice. It deals with wrongful termination. It deals with foreclosures on people's homes. This court is a trial court, and what's very important about a trial court is that it involves one of our strongest constitutional rights, and that constitutional right is the right to a jury trial. A jury trial, number one, enables us to be able to present our cases in court. It is a right that free people enjoy, and only free people enjoy. I'm asking for your support in this re-election because I believe in the Constitution, I believe in justice, and I am no stranger to adversity. I want your vote, I like your support, and let me tell you, I am not intimidated by public opinion, and I'm willing to make those hard decisions for you and this community and for our court. Thank you very much.
Okay, please speak up. Yes,
Regina, you on the trail, it makes it easy for us in the opposition to win. How can you stand there in regards to what's happened to you recently as candidate for
I'm going to ask you, excuse me, because we're kind of far away. I can barely hear you. Is it
That's just an
possible
excuse, Regina. I'm not going to repeat
speak a
myself.
little bit louder?
sir, if you're going to ask questions, you need to speak up or don't ask. I'm not going to call on you again. If you're not going to ask.
Myself to you or to her?
Excuse me. I want your question.
Can you?
I want your question, okay?
Okay.
I'd like
Never
your
mind.
question,
No.
but I would like to, I couldn't hear your
We got
question.
flagged. We're going to move on. Any other questions? Moving on. Any other questions? Yes, ma'am.
What sets you apart, makes you better than the others?
First of all, like I had said, that I am not intimidated by public opinion. There's been different things that have happened during the time that I took office. It is you, the voters, that put me in office. Certain things happen to people that are out of their control. In my particular situation, the Constitution and justice prevailed. And this is one of the reasons that I believe in justice, and I believe in the right to a trial. If somebody is put in a position, someone, doesn't matter whether it's the person that lives down the street or whoever it is, but everyone has a right to have a fair trial. Everyone has a right to be treated with dignity and respect and be treated with equality under the law. That is extremely important. And because of the experiences in my life, I think that sets me apart. I have been a prosecutor, I have been a defense attorney, I've worked with big firms, both as an insurance defense attorney and a plaintiff's attorney. I've been an attorney for 24 years. I've been a judge for 15 years. And again, I'm not afraid of making those decisions, and I'm not afraid of standing up for the Constitution. If people are going to put other people in a situation like they did to me, they're going to do it to anybody else, and they're going to use intimidation, and they're going to use any type of form. And somebody has to stand up. And I'm willing to stand up not only for myself, but for every single person in our community. Thank you.
Any other questions? No? Okay. Okay. And then you get this. Go ahead and do your close. Do your.
I am committed to El Paso. I was born here, I was raised here, I raised my family here, and I believe in El Paso. with whatever happens, I want to continue as your judge. And I want to make sure that you have a voice in my court or in the 448th court. And you can believe and entrust that justice will be held in that court. And you can believe that I will listen and believe in you. Thank you.
Now you have an opportunity to ask a question to one of the candidates that didn't show up, and the opportunity to answer that question for them.
Oh, ask that question?
If you'd like.
Okay. First of all, I don't run against anyone. I'm running for the 448 District Court. Anyone wants to run against me, that's their choice. We live in a free country, and that's their opportunity to do so. What I don't appreciate is I don't appreciate lies. I don't appreciate misrepresentations to the community. And if they're going to state something, they need to back it up with the truth.
You needed a question.
Oh, okay.
No, is that okay? Just a statement.
One of the candidates,
Say their name.
You can.
I prefer not to because
Okay.
I
15
think everybody
seconds
will
to,
read
15
things.
seconds to ask
Okay.
your question.
one person claims that they are a municipal court judge or was a municipal court judge. I was the presiding judge of the municipal courts for
A question.
10 years. And they claim to be one. I want to know when, considering they're placing the dates when I was the presiding judge.
What's the answer?
They were not.
Thank you. Okay, moving on. Criminal District Court number 1, Diana R. Navarrete.